Hello everyone, it's Jessica here, back with all of you lovely learners on the Learn English with Jessica channel. Today, we're focusing on practice speaking skills with 2 exercises, shadowing and duet. All right, so let's get started. Exercise 1, shadowing. In this exercise, I want you to try to copy exactly the rhythm and the tone of the dialogue. Pay attention and we'll practice together. Hi, is this the plumbing service? I'm Amy and there's a major water leak in my house.
Hello, Amy. I'm Joe, the plumber. Can you describe the problem?
Water is leaking from multiple places. I think there's a problem with the main pipe.
Got it. Can you locate the main valve and shut it off while I head over?
I'm not sure where it is. The house is a bit old and I just moved in.
Don't worry. I'll guide you through it when I arrive. Sit tight.
Please hurry. My books and furniture are getting soaked.
20 minutes later.
This seems serious. Let's find that main valve first.
Okay, it might be in the basement. Everything is so chaotic right now.
I've turned off the main water supply. Let's check the leaks now.
There's one under the kitchen sink and another in the bathroom.
Looks like the kitchen pipe has burst. The bathroom leak seems minor.
Is it going to take long to fix?
I should have the kitchen pipe fixed in an hour. The bathroom will be quicker.
I'm so worried about my furniture and books.
Once I fix the leaks, I can help move things to dry areas.
That would be great. I'm just overwhelmed right now.
10 minutes later.
I fixed the kitchen pipe. It should be good as new.
Thank you so much, Joe. The bathroom next, right?
Yes, it's a simple fix. It'll be done shortly. The bathroom leak is fixed. You won't have any more surprises.
I can't believe how quickly you work.
Well, years of experience really help.
You're a lifesaver, Joe.
Just doing my job. Let me write up your bill.
I hope it's within my budget. Today was quite unexpected.
Here's the bill. I included a small discount for the inconvenience.
That's very considerate of you.
Also, here's my card. Call me if you have any other plumbing issues.
I certainly will. Thanks for everything, Joe.
No problem. Take care and try to have a better day.
I'll try. Goodbye, Joe.
Goodbye, Amy.
Exercise 2, duet. Good job. Let's move to the next exercise. So now you're in the conversation. I'm going to read my lines and you'll read your lines on the screen. Here we go.
Hi, is this Liam, the electrician? That's right, I'm Liam, the electrician. What can I help you with? I have some problems with my oven. What are the issues? It just won't turn on. I tried everything. Okay, I'll be right there. Let me take a look. It might be a simple fix. I hope so. I miss baking cookies. I see the problem. A wire is loose. I can fix this quickly. That sounds great. How long will it take? Just a few minutes. You'll be baking in no time. Thank you. While you're here, Can you look at my TV too? Sure, what's wrong with it? It has this weird flickering screen. Let me finish with the oven first. Of course, I'm just happy to have someone to fix these. Your oven's fixed. Now, let's see the TV. It's in the living room. This flickering is usually a cable issue. Is it a big problem? No, it's a quick fix. Let me adjust the cables. Okay. All done. Your TV should work fine now. Wow, it's perfect. How much do I owe you? Here's the invoice for the oven and the TV. This is more than fair. Thank you, Liam. You're welcome. Call me if you have any more issues. I will. Have a great day. Goodbye. Time to bake those cookies. It's on. Perfect. Wait, the oven light isn't working now. I guess I'll have to call Liam again. Hi, Liam. My oven light isn't working now. I'll come back and take a look. Maybe it's just the bulb. That would be great. Thank you, Liam.
Okay, so that's the end of today's lesson. To get the best results, you can listen to the dialogue over and over again until you can speak fluently and smoothly. Or recording what you say is also a super efficient way to perfect your pronunciation. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.